Ever have those moments at home where you crave a sweet treat like cake but don't have the energy to bake a full one? This 1-minute cake recipe is perfect for such moments. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I do love me some coffee cake. In a small microwave-safe bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of instant coffee with 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of hot soy milk. Give it a good mix until everything is well dissolved. Next, add some vanilla essence and 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, pinch of baking powder, and pinch of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then give everything a gentle mix until just combined. Once mixed, you can smooth out the top and clean up the edges of the bowl with a paper towel and pop in the microwave for 1 minute. I really wasn't joking when I said this is a 1-minute cake. It should rise really nicely. Just take a look at all those bubbles visible on the side and bottom of the bowl, a clear indication that we have achieved a spongy texture. It should also be quite springy to the touch. After it has cooled down, top it with your vegan whipped cream of choice. I'm using the Food Heaven brand that comes in a spray can. And that's it. A single serving of coffee cake that is ready in just 1 minute. The great thing about this recipe is that you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cupboard. I'm sure you're eager to see what this microwave cake looks like on the inside, so let's dig in. As you can see, soft, light, fluffy, and moist. Everything we want in a cake. The cake was not too sweet, so the sweetened cream on top was a welcome addition. If you like your cake a bit sweeter, then you can double the sugar quantity in the recipe. All the ingredients are listed down in the description. The coffee taste was pretty strong and overall really hit the spot. Before you go, enjoy a few shots of me digging into the cake, then pop a comment below letting me know what you think. I hope you give it a try and that you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe because I post a new one every week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!